Yes, man, Facebook, you don't know. Give thanks for another day. Long time I just the poetry because you don't know. Some struggles were beyond my control, but this is a poem entitled School and for Everybody. While while we are promote education, it's about the violence. Basically, me I say the violence in a school. We not to be surprised because from me you know myself in a khaki, them thing they are gone. And everybody have a love school. Them say silver and gold will vanish away, but a good education will never decay. You think say the school bad? Are the pitney them make the school bad? School honor for everybody. And everybody I go big scholar, doctor, and lawyer. Violence in a school and nothing new. Check the history in a Jamaica. From me know myself in a khaki in a school, pitney always vicious and rude. School honor for everybody. And everybody I gotta be a scholar, doctor, and lawyer. Long before social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pitney always a war teacher. From me in a khaki, schoolgirl a war of a man. A fight over taxi man, coaster man, doctor man. But with enough stabbing. Me remember what them call no panty day. That lead many young girls astray. Where them sell out them virginity for one free look a bus ride. Me say, school honor for everybody. And everybody I gotta be scholar, doctor, lawyer. I believe there should be a total separation between time waster, extortioner, prostitute. No counseling can help them happy here. But we have to enroll them in some boot camp to discipline them. That's why I say school honor for everybody. Because you have a lot of educated fools in the country. School honor for everybody. And everybody I gotta be doctor, lawyer, and scholar.